So we're in Riverside today, right outside Pho Ha right there. And today, we're about to do the 7 pound pho challenge. Are you ready, mug gang? We're about to mukbang for the mug gang. Let's do it. We're about to conquer this pho. Alright, let's go. Alright, they knew right away we came for the challenge. Wish me luck. 7 pounds, guys. Gotta go big or go home.
Are you gonna go Super Saiyan?
We gotta go Super Saiyan, yeah. We just came from the gym too, the hyperbolic time chamber. You know how Goku eats like a bunch of food. Every time I watch the show and they're eating a lot of food, I get really hungry. But yeah, that's what we're about to do right now, Goku style. This is my Gohan right here.
My name's Fan, you know, at this restaurant here, Pho Ha 7. He's gonna do the Pho Challenge King. Yeah, it's gonna be a big bowl, 10 pounds.
Yeah.
10 pounds. Okay, this is a library, you have to sign it, and you know, your name and your, everything, your information is saying that your liability for whatever you're gonna take a risk with the 10 pounds of Pho Challenge.
10 pounds.
Then you have 1.5 hours to finish everything. 10 pounds of pho and meat and soup. Okay, close to 10 pounds. And you finish, you get the bowl for free, and you get $50 for the credit, and you get your picture.
Ooh, immortalized.
Okay, yeah.
Can't let my ancestors down. So I gotta do this for Vietnam. You know what I mean? For muk gang too. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. It's huge.
Take out menu.
Yeah.
Menu? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
All that is gonna be in your stomach.
Alright, let's do it. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright.
You trained for this moment.
Oh man.
You trained for this moment.
I trained for this moment.
He's ready. Noodles first, maybe. Take his advice.
I'm actually kind of scared.
Just go for it, man. Attack it. Don't think about it.
Ooh, it's hot. Need to wait for it to cool down a bit.
You should just give up.
To give up right now?
It's like, I'm done.
Oh my gosh. I gotta do this for the muk gang. Gotta pull through. Do it first. Do it first. It's real hot. Do it fast. Come on, I wonder if they're doing that just to slow me down, you know, like a crutch.
Did you read it at all, or you just like kind of signed it? I always kind of as well. Just sign it with the rights. The first one.
Look at all these noodles, guys.
Goku. Just think of Goku, dude. Think of Goku.
I'm Goku right now, post meal. We're gonna do the Pho King challenge.
You're gonna fuck up this Pho King bowl of Pho. Do you think Dan vs. World will finish this bowl? Pause the video.
Comment down below, finish video, if you think I'm gonna finish this.
Yes, cover. Goodness. Yes, cover.
I have some.
An hour and a half.
Yeah, I'm trying to go in, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I need all luck I get. You compare. My head's not good enough.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Second stomach.
Ooh,
Meditate.
wee.
Close your eyes. Meditate.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's pretty tough. It's pretty tough. Should train harder.
Meditate. Close your eyes. Think how hard you worked for this moment.
This was a mistake, guys. This is a fail. This is called the 10-pound foot challenge fail right here. I just hope you guys are entertained though. I'm proud of my best.
You guys think you can take on the challenge? Come to Pho Ha.
We're so hard.
Riverside.
Props to Rana right now. For real. Cause you may look really easy. It's not easy. Not easy. It's so hard. I think I'm gonna tap out so Darsh can eat this with me, cause so we don't waste food. You know what I mean?
It's so anticlimactic. He's feeling. You think you could do the challenge on like another day? Now that you've like faced it, like if you were hungrier or like prepared better, you think you could?
Nah, it's the thing is it's pho. Like pho expands in your stomach. I can feel it expanding. Are you disappointed in me? Dark is disappointed right now. He's giving me the disappointed face right now. Damn.
It's liquid too. Liquid fills your stomach quickly.
It's all good. The Mug Gang still loves me, right? And you guys are about to all unsubscribe right now.
Looking good?
It's hard, man. It's hard.
Oh no. He's close. I think he's close to.
You know what? I bet on you, man.
You bet on me?
Yeah.
Man.
My co-worker said you cannot finish it.
Damn, I feel bad. You bet on me,
You,
man.
I said you would finish it. And I if I win, it was $40.
Wow, really? Damn.
So,
Man, he's putting the pressure on me right now, man.
no.
You bet on me.
Should we give him a Sprite? Huh? A Sprite?
Yeah. I'm about to let my subscribers down and the homie.
Someone's just riding on this. The pressure. Game 7. It's literally game 7. There's money riding on this now.
I don't know. What's the win and loss ratio?
Man, it's like we have a lot of one try and then cannot finish. Maybe we have 6-7 people who've done it so far.
Oh, only 7 and 6?
Yeah, 6-7 people.
Out of how many?
Out of like 50, 60.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? So
7 out of 60.
yeah.
1 out of 10 chance.
10%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Are you doing the big bowl challenge?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Did you like not eat for a week or something?
No. You got me, man. I'm gonna do part 2.
Goku losing to.
No, man. Cut me out.
Have you?
Officially.
Dude.
I'm slumped, guys.
That's plain.
That was pointless. Don't do this challenge, guys.
Dan has been defeated by the
I've
bowl
been
of
defeated.
pho, by the 10-pound bowl of pho. The training was not enough. Go back into the.
I just took the ultimate L, guys. I don't even think it's 10 pounds, guys. This is like at least 20. I'm trying to lift it. Alright, guys. It's the end of the road. Alright, here's the plan, guys. Alright, I don't think they're looking right now. So I'm gonna take this bowl. I'm just gonna bring it to the restroom real quick. Dump it down the toilet and then come back. Say I finished it.
Just sneak it in. Just put it under your shirt. Just put
Let's
it under
go.
your shirt.
This is the walk of shame right now, guys. We're leaving Pho Ha. But yeah, on a serious note, like this video, comment what food challenge we should do next.
See if you can.
Yeah, see if you guys get.
It's 10 pounds, guys. 10 pounds.
Subscribe for more food challenge fails, guys. Yep. This is.